High pressure systems bring happy weather, which means sunny, cool, and dry weather, which is the total opposite of low pressure systems.
High pressure means cool weather, sunny, and like dry weather, and H is stands for high pressure, and high pressure means happy weather.
Low pressure systems are where there's low pressure in the atmosphere and it's warm, muggy, moist, cloudy, and stormy, the complete opposite of high pressure, and that is not what you want in the summer.
The barometer measures air pressure, which is what tells you when it's going to be high and low.
The barometer shows that if it's high pressure, then it'll show fair, and then if it's low pressure, it'll show that it's rainy or stormy.
The thermometer is something that measures body heat in the liquid in the air temperature, and the liquid in the thermometer goes up when it's hot and goes down when it's cold.
So the thermometer measures the air temperature. When it's too cold and it's precipitation, it can turn into snow, and when it's like more warm and stuff, it can just be precipitation.
The rain gauge is how much, and it tells you how much it rains every day.
So what the rain gauge does is it measures how much water is falling.
Wind vane or weather vane measures the wind direction that it is blowing in.
An anemometer measures how fast the wind speed goes. There's little cups that will take in the wind and a thing that will tell you how fast it's going.
Anemometers tracks the speed of the wind, and another word for anemometer is anemos.
This is a weather map, and a weather map displays various features across a particular point in time.
A weather map is also known as a synoptic weather chart. It displays various meteorological features across particular areas.
The hygrometer is a weather instrument that measures the humidity in the air, and humidity is moisture in the air.